Alright, are you ready for this amazing chicken dish with good seasons, Italian seasonings? I'm telling you, it is a flavor bomb. First, I got one packet of button mushrooms that are sliced that I'm just gonna cook down, season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then set aside. You can use any kind of mushrooms you like. I just went with the white button since that's what was handy. So we'll finish cooking those, and then we're gonna move on to our chicken. So I've got 2 chicken breasts that are boneless, skinless, and I've already cut them in half lengthwise. Place them into a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna get my mallet out and just try to pound them out so they're all about the same thickness. That way they cook evenly. And once I get that done, I'm gonna break out my non-stick frying pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter, some olive oil, heat on medium, and we'll get that heated up, and we're just gonna go ahead and place our chicken right in that pan. Just like that. So we'll get all 4 pieces in there, and we'll cook this about 3 minutes on each side. They're gonna cook pretty quick. We're not gonna go all the way done, because we're going to finish these off in the oven. So 3 minutes should be just perfect. Then we'll flip these over, go another 3 minutes, and then it'll be time to set those aside while we work on the rest of this dish. So I've got the mushrooms. I also picked up 1 jar of roasted red peppers, bell peppers. You can roast your own, but I saved myself a little time by buying the jar. So now we're going to work on our cream. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 packet of Good Seasons Italian dressing. And we'll give that a good mix. There we go. I'm telling you, this chicken is so flavorful. You're going to love it. Now I'm going to get out my glass baking dish, spray with a little bit of Pam on all sides so nothing sticks. I'm going to pour about half of the cream on the bottom. Make sure it's all spread out nice and evenly. Then I'm going to add half of the roasted peppers to the bottom of this dish. Kind of just spread them all out so it's nice and even. I'm going to add half of the mushrooms that we sauteed to the bottom. And again, just try to spread it out as evenly as possible. Next, we're going to add our chicken, set it right on top. There we go, just like that. And then we're going to get another packet of the Good Seasons Italian dressing and season the chicken. And once we have all the chicken seasoned, we're going to go back and top them off with the remaining mushrooms and the remaining roasted bell peppers. And once we finish with this, we've got about 2 cups of shredded whole milk mozzarella cheese that we're gonna cover the top of this with. My oven is preheated right now to 350 degrees. So once we finish putting these peppers up, we'll cover with the cheese and we'll pop this into the oven for between 20 and 25 minutes, or until that cheese is nice and golden brown and everything's bubbling nice. While I'm doing this, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends and family about the show. Remember, I put a new show out every Wednesday and every Sunday. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I appreciate you all very much. So we'll pop that in the oven, and the magic of video, we're gonna pull it out here in a second, and you'll see exactly how it should look when yours is done. Here we go, the moment of truth. Look at that. That is fantastic. All right, serve it up. Your family's gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love it. It's gonna be your new favorite chicken dish. We'll see you on the next video, and thank you very much.